All right, we're gonna go for a ride here in a 1965 Shelby Cobra continuation. It's a real Shelby, but it's when they made them. This is a 2004 version, but again, registered as a 65. Hopefully you can hear me during this video because it's a little loud. But it's got a 427 in it, 1963 427 with dual quads. It's dynoed at 420 horsepower. It's got a top loader 4-speed. It's got a Shelby independent rear differential, aluminum differential with 354 Posi-Traction. It's a fun car to drive. Got a lot of carburetor. Shelby insignia on it, electric fuel pump, also has a mechanical fuel pump. Great. Pretty neat car, man. It's beautiful. It's only got a little over 7,000 miles on it. Previous owner was the original owner, had it built. It'd be easier to tell you about this one when we're sitting on the corner when the car's not running. Alright, we're gonna go up here and take some more pictures and video for you. Check out this awesome 1965 Shelby 427 Cobra. This is a continuation car, so it's a real Shelby, but it was built in 2004. They offered two different bodies. They offered a fiberglass body and aluminum body. This is the fiberglass version. Some guys kind of prefer them. Not only are they less money, if you get a little nick or chip in them, it's easier to repair. The aluminum body ones, if guys want to go to the track or whatever, they get little dents in them if rocks hit them, and but it's cool. They're all valuable. They're all unique cars. This has a CSX number. That's what it's registered as, a 65 Cobra, which is nice. We have documentation too from Carroll Shelby. The previous owner bought this from Carroll Shelby. He signed some documents there, also signed the glove box. But it's got the this really cool paint job, dark green, like British racing green, but it's got these stripes, these ghost stripes, kind of like a goldish green tint. It's got the road bumpers front and rear. It's got the true knockoffs with the lock wires on there, just like they used to when they race them, so they don't come off by accident. Side pipes, those are coated. It's got a 354 Posi-Traction rear differential, independent, Shelby. 23-gallon fuel tank. Got the single roll bar. This has a tonneau that he didn't want to put the snaps into the body. You can put them on if you want. It's kind of neat. It also has a heater. A lot of them don't have a heater. That's why they were going to put the tonneau on, then you can stay warm inside. But it's got those really cool, comfortable buckets. That's a removable steering wheel, Shelby wheel. So it's easier to get in and out for some of the bigger guys, or tall guys even. And it's got those autometer gauges with the Shelby inscription on there. Autometer made those for Shelby the second time around. There's your CSX number. Pretty cool though. Lots of documentation, all the engine specifications. Just a great looking car, sounds great, drives great, and collectible. It'll go up in value. Already has. Here's the power plant in the 65 Shelby Cobra 427. This is not the side oiler version, but is an FE block. 1963 is the year of manufacture. All been built, dyno tunes at 420 horsepower. It's got the correct carburetors on there for Shelby. Early ones, they're not cheap, so they chose to go with the right stuff there. Aluminum radiator, electric fan, 2 fuel pumps, mechanical and electronic. Just a great looking engine compartment. Proud to open the hood at a car show with this one. We'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. Yeah, nice running motor. Those side pipes. Yeah, it's killer. Well, everybody can hear a Cobra coming. If you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-10 888-885-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to show you the car in person and go over all the documentation with you. Thanks for watching.